Now the setup to prove Ohm's law is ready. Now we can close. Now the circuit is closed. Can measure the readings in ammeter and voltmeter. We can first keep the ammeter reading as 0.1. Here 10 divisions is equal to 0.2. Now to make 0.1, keep this pointer on the fifth line. Now the reading on this ammeter is 0.1. We can adjust that current in the circuit by using this rheostat. So the ammeter reading in the circuit now is 0.1. Then we can measure the voltmeter reading. See, the pointer on this voltmeter is on the sixth division. So sixth division. 6 into the value of the smallest division, that is the least count of voltmeter, 0.05, that is 0.3. 0.3 is the voltmeter reading. Pointer is on 6th division. Each division has a value of 0.05. So the total reading is 6 into 0.05, that is 0.3. Then we can measure V by I. V is 0.3 divided by 0.1. That is R. V by I is equal to R. So R is 3 in ohms. Then we can adjust the rheostat and make ammeter reading as 0.2. We can use this slider to adjust ammeter reading. We can move the slider towards the first knob. Now to reduce the resistance. Now the resistance in the circuit is reducing and thus increasing the current in the circuit. Now the current in the circuit is 0.2 ampere. Then what is the voltmeter reading? The pointer is on 12th division. The pointer is on 12th voltmeter pointer. Ammeter reading is 0.2. The voltmeter pointer is on 12th division. So 12 into 0.05. 12 into 0.05. 0.6. So what is V by I? 0.6 by I is 0.2. 3. Then we can adjust the ammeter reading as 0.3 by adjusting rheostat. Can adjust the slider. We can move the slider towards the first knob so that the number of turns is decreasing. The resistance is decreasing and thus we can increase the current in the circuit. Now the ammeter reading is 0.3. Yes. Then what about the voltmeter reading? Voltmeter reading should be on 18th division. 18th. We can see that the voltmeter pointer is on 18th division. So 18 into 0.05, 0.9. Therefore, what is V by I? 0.9 divided by I is 0.3, that is 3 ohms. When again current increased to 0.4, now the current in the circuit is 0.4. What is the voltmeter reading? 10, 20, 24th division. The pointer is on 24th division. You just count from the beginning. Till 5, 10 divisions. Till 1, 20 divisions. Then 4 more divisions are there. The pointer is on 24th division. So, 24 into 0.05. That is 1.2. Then V by I is 1.2 divided by 0.4. Again that is 3. So we can plot a graph current against potential difference. So when current is 0.1, the voltmeter reading is 0.3. When current is 0.2, the voltmeter reading is 0.6. When current is 0.3, voltmeter reading is 0.9. When current is 0.4, voltmeter reading is 1.2, like that. If we join all these points, we'll be getting a straight line which is moving away from x-axis and y-axis. It's a straight line. We'll be getting a straight line. Okay, in order to find the resistance offered in the circuit, we just consider a small triangle. You can do V by I. You will be getting the resistance. So 3 ohm is the resistance offered by that resistance box, and thus Ohm's law is verified. V by I is always a constant. When current in the circuit increases from 1.1 to 0.4, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, accordingly the potential difference also increasing 0.3, 0.6, 0.9, 1.2.